Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, TechOpium. Today we've got something exciting to talk about. Xiaomi's latest mid-cycle flagship refresh has just hit the market, and it's got some impressive features to offer. I'm your host, Usman, and in this episode we'll be reviewing the Xiaomi 13T Pro. So, let's dive right in. The Xiaomi T lineup is known for its timely updates, and this year, they've brought us the 13T Pro, which comes with some noteworthy improvements. It's worth mentioning that this release comes just weeks before the Chinese premiere of the Xiaomi 14 series. The T devices typically offer a cherry-picked set of features, focusing on maximum performance or a complete camera experience. This time, it's all about the camera. First off, the Xiaomi 13T Pro boasts an IP68 rating, making it the first waterproof phone in the Xiaomi T series. It sports the familiar Xiaomi design we've come to love, and you can choose between a glass or eco-leather back. Now let's talk about the display. The 13T Pro features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1220p. It supports a dynamic 144Hz refresh rate, offering you smooth visuals. What's more, it boasts a 12-bit color depth and supports Dolby Vision, ensuring a stunning visual experience. Under the hood, Xiaomi has equipped the 13T Pro with the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, currently one of the best MediaTek SoCs available. It comes with a choice of 12GB or 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, which is among the fastest on the market right now. Now let's dive into the camera setup, the most exciting part. The Xiaomi 13T Pro boasts a Leica-powered rear camera setup. It includes a hefty 50MP primary camera with optical image stabilization, another 50MP camera with a 2x zoom lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera with fixed focus. The primary camera supports impressive 8K 24 video recording, while the standard 13T maxes out at 4K 60. When it comes to audio, Xiaomi hasn't skimped. The 13T Pro features Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, enhancing your multimedia experience, which is a great complement to that Dolby Vision screen. And now, let's talk about battery life and charging. The 13T Pro houses a generous 5000 mAh battery, and here's the kicker: it supports blazing fast 120W wired charging. Xiaomi claims you can go from 0 to fully charged in just 19 minutes. Now, before we wrap things up, let's address one potential drawback: the selfie camera. It's a 20MP quad Bayer sensor, which some might consider a bit dated. Xiaomi, we're hoping for an upgrade here in future iterations. That's a wrap for our review of the Xiaomi 13T Pro. It brings some fantastic features like the advanced camera system and IP68 rated design. But there's room for improvement, especially in the selfie camera department. Would you consider picking up the Xiaomi 13T Pro? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next episode.